My name is Darius Cincys and welcome back to my channel where we give you tours of the most exclusive real estate here in the Pacific Northwest. And today you are in for a treat because we're going to tour this beautiful MN Custom Homes resale right here in the quiet neighborhood of Surrey Downs. Just steps away from downtown Bellevue, this home isn't just a place to live. It's your launch pad to everything. Whether it's walking to the Amazon towers, dining at one of Washington's top restaurants, or catching a sunset at Bellevue Park, this location is unmatched. Built by MN Custom Homes, this isn't your average spec house. The builder is known for their attention to detail, tech-savvy builds, and seamless layouts. And right as you walk into a home, there's a few things that stand out to me almost immediately. First thing I notice are clean, modern lines throughout, really giving it a modern yet comfortable feel. Also, the color palette is very neutral and desirable. I love the color of the floors. There's lots of design features such as this fireplace and an accent wall all the way to the ceiling. One of the features that I think is awesome and a huge value add is that all of the street-facing windows have been tinted with privacy film. So they still let in tons of natural light, but there is a slight tint to protect from the sun. And you have this great two-story great room concept, which feeds right into this spacious kitchen. We have an oversized island, top-of-the-line Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. And I personally love this color choice. You don't see this every day, but it ties in beautifully with the natural wood colors and even the accents throughout the counters and other surfaces really tie it all together. Then here you also have a smaller dining nook and two separate slider doors that open up to the outside, which we will show you towards the end of the video. And as we head through the kitchen, we have another butler's pantry that leads to the formal dining room. And in total, this house has 5 bedrooms, plus a bonus, plus an office. One thing I love about this floor plan is it has a second primary suite on the main level. So it's perfect for generational living, or if you want a guest suite away from other bedrooms, this is it. It's a spacious room, walk-in closet, and a beautiful bathroom. And as we head upstairs, we have 4 more spacious bedrooms, a great large bonus room, a laundry room, and one of the first things you see here at the top of the staircase is this landing pad, a catwalk, if you will, that leads to the primary suite. But I love these custom handrails and it overlooks downstairs. And even from here, you see the floor to ceiling windows all the way through that filling the space with natural light. And this way we have the primary suite. It's a very spacious bedroom, tons of windows, again with that tinted privacy film. And throughout the house, I forgot to mention that the sellers have upgraded all of the window coverings to custom Hunter Douglas shades, most of them electronic. And as we continue, as you would expect, we have this great 5-piece primary bath suite, a large closet with tons of built-in cabinets, and for convenience, the closet connects to the laundry room, which is a really nice feature. And right off the kitchen and the great room, you have these 2 large sliders that open up to this oversized outdoor terrace that's fully covered, has speakers and heater lamps. So it's perfect to enjoy year round. You also have a great fireplace, a place to mount the TV, and the full yard itself, it's fully fenced, so it's very spacious. You have grass on one side and the other corner that's a little more shaded. It has low maintenance artificial turf, so it stays green year round and you don't have to really do anything to maintain it. That wraps up our tour for the day. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please drop a comment and let me know what was your favorite feature of the house. And if you're in the market for a new custom home like this, give me a call. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'm Darius, your local Seattle Realtor friend, and I'll catch you in the next video.